Most creators waste hundreds on AI tools they don't need. Today, I'm showing you the free alternatives that actually compete with premium options, and when paid tools are actually worth it. Free AI tools level the playing field. You get access to cutting-edge technology without subscription costs. Perfect for testing workflows before investing. However, free versions often have limitations, fewer monthly credits, no priority support, basic features. Understanding these trade-offs helps you make smarter decisions about which tools deserve your budget. ChatGPT free tier unlimited text generation, perfect for content. Canva AI beautiful designs with zero cost. Deep Dream generator, unique image creation. Descript free versions often have limitations, fewer monthly credits, no priority support, basic features. Understanding these trade-offs helps you make smarter decisions about which tools deserve your budget. Most creators find 70% of their work handled by free versions alone. Upgrade when free limits block your workflow. Need more API calls? Pay. Want commercial rights to generated content? Essential. Require advanced features like custom training? Necessary. Team collaboration tools? Worth it. Calculate ROI. If one tool saves 10 hours monthly, that's worth $5,200. Don't pay for features you won't use. Upgrade strategically. I use ChatGPT Plus for advanced reasoning, Midjourney for professional images, and free Canva for quick designs. Total monthly spend, $40. Saves me 20+ hours weekly. For beginners, start completely free. Master workflows, then invest in tools that multiply your income. Smart tooling isn't about spending more. It's about working smarter. Drop a comment, which free AI tool surprised you most? Subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews that save you time and money.